Hi guys, my name is Suraj and today in this video we are going to see HTML part 7. So if you have any doubts after seeing this video, you can comment down and I will reply it. Okay, let's go into video. So today in this video we are going to see only HTML list. So HTML list is nothing but it is a set it is used to set the items in a list. So there are three types of list. There are order list, unordered list and description list. So order list is nothing but used to make a list of items. So it starts from OL tag and ends with the OL tag. So the LA tag defines the list. So the OL tag is marked by numbers by default. So it has the type attribute and it has 5 values. So the type attribute has 5 values. That's type equal to 1. So 1 is nothing but it is a number. It's a default one. And type equal to A. A is nothing but uppercase letters. So small a is nothing but lowercase letters, and I is nothing but uppercase Roman numbers. And type small I is nothing but uppercase lowercase displays the list marked with lowercase Roman numbers. Okay, now I'll execute it. Okay, now we have opened an HTML5 which is an order list. HTML file. Now we'll type it. So title is HTML list. Okay, now we are opening the body tag HTML. Okay, now we are opening the body tag, and body tag in this, let's type OL, order list, and LA as 1, LA as 2, LA as 3. Okay, now we will execute now. So this is the output. So I had told that order list are marked with numbers default. Now let us change it. So in OL tag type the attribute. Type the attribute name, attribute as 1, and attribute value as 1, which is a default one. Okay, no changes are there. So let us try A, capital A. So capital A changes the mark with capital letters, uppercase letters, and small a with the lowercase letters. And capital I as uppercase Roman letters, Roman numbers. It's uppercase Roman numbers. Small I as lowercase Roman numbers. So this is a lowercase Roman numbers. Now let us see nested order list. So nested order is nothing but typing not UL, OL. So list inside the list. So it is for order list. Nested list is nothing but list inside the list. So LI 1, LIS 2, LIS 3. Okay, so this is where the order list, nested list will display. Now I will display. Now I will tell you what is an unordered list. So this is an unordered list. Now we are going to see unordered list. Now we are going to see an unordered list. So this is an unordered list. So unordered list is used to make a list of items. So it is like an ordered list with little changes. So little changes nothing, but it is marked by a bullet. Unordered list is marked by a bullet, but ordered list is marked by numbers by default. On an ordered list, in unordered list it is marked by bullet by default. So it has a list style type property and 4 values as none, disk, square, and circle. So none displays nothing, displays the list marked with nothing, and the disk displays with the list with round shape with a default like bullet, and square displays the list marked with a square. So circle displays with a circle, marked with a circle displays the list marked with circle. Now I'll display you. Now I'll execute and I will display you. Okay, let's type as order list or the order list. Or unordered list. UL so UL LI the 2 the 3 So this is an unordered list marked with the bullet by default. Now let us try to change it. Such as now type as style list style type as none. None it will display with no marked, no square. So square with a square shape, a small one. Okay. Now let us type as circle. So circle is this one marked with so it displays with the displays the list with a mark with circle, small circles. Now I will tell you that nested list. Here also you can use a nested list such as UL LI1 LI2 LI3 HRI3. I will display it. So this is how it displays. Now I will tell you about description list. So description is same as a list, but in the name itself you can see that it describes about the list, list items. Description list. So DL description list. So description list. So type DT description data as 1, and DD description list description data. So this data description as this is 1. DT2 this is 2. Okay, now let us execute it. So this is the output as a description list. So if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe my channel Suraj TheDeveloper and click the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.